Hello learners, welcome to Manifested online classes. We are going to proceed with our topic on loci, and I had given an assignment which we are going to get the solutions as we build up on some concepts of the loci. So the assignment I had given was question 5 and 6 from the People's Book 4, and we had questions 5 and question 6. In question 5 is state and sketch the locus of the tip of a seesaw as it swings, and in number 6 we have you get the locus of the arm of the seesaw as it swings. So we shall go to getting the solutions. We have question 5. Note that they have said state and sketch. You don't just state. So in 5, it is a tip of a seesaw. So a sketch will be very important for us to internalize what is happening there. So I'll start with the sketch for number 5. And note that it is the tip. So this is the tip. So as the seesaw goes up and down, you'll find the tip. The tip will make a certain So after getting the diagram, there is a tip. So if you go to our definition, we say that a locus is the path. We talked of the path, region, or volume traced by a point. We had a line or the volume according to some given law. So if you go to question 5, the tip is under the arrangement of a point. So it is a point. So if it is a point, it only traces up an arc. You'll find that is an arc. So when you are told to state, it will be the locus is an arc. The locus of the tip of that seesaw will just be an arc. So you be very careful. The tip is just a point. In question 6, it is now the arm. You be very careful. It is now the arm. So using the same, I can use the same diagram. Well, I can just draw it again. So I've indicated that that is the arm of the seesaw. And let's get its trajectory or movement. So if you look at the diagram, we have the initial point of the arm, isn't it? Initial point or position. Initial position. And here it is the final position. So that is the final position of that arm. So we note that it is an arm is a line. You'll find it will sweep out a certain region. This region is a sector. That region is a sector. So the locus is a sector. And you note very careful, in question 5 we had a point, in question 6 we had a line. A line in most of these cases will sweep out an area which we call a sector. If you complete it, it will be a full region of a circle, but it's just a fraction of it. That's why we call it a sector. Having done that, the two examples, I'll move ahead to giving you question 7. I'll give you question 7 and question 8, which will work out during your own time. So I'll write down the questions. Question 7. So those will be the two questions you'll work out during your own time. So we have question 7, state and sketch the locus of the variable point t, which is equidistance from two fixed points P and Q. And question 8, the point P, which is always the same distance from a fixed point X. So as you work out that, note the clear definition of what a locus is, whether it is a line or whether it is a point, or whether it is a region or a plane, so that you come out the right locus. Having come to that point, I'll conclude the lesson, and I hope you are going to have an easy time solving the question as explained and as taught. So have a good time and bye.